Hi students, good morning. Today we will see the gynecology in nursing. Option 1. The normal heart rate of the infant after birth may range between option A 100 and 180, option B 130 and 170, option C 120 and 160, option D 100 and 130. The correct answer is option C 120 and 160 is the right answer. Next, morning sickness usually disappears by the end of option A 1 month, option B 2 months, option C 3 months, option D 4 months. The right answer is option C 3 months. Next, nutritional planning for a pregnant woman should include option A decrease to 1000 calories per day, option B a decrease in fat and protein consumption, option C a decrease in a carb consumption, option D an increase to 1800 to 2200 calories per day. The right answer is option D, an increase to 1800 to 2200 calories per day. Next, closure of the foramen oval after birth is caused by option A decrease in the aortic blood flow, a decrease in the pressure in the left atrium, option C an increase in the pulmonary blood flow, option D an increase in the pressure in the right atrium, and option C is the right answer, an increase in the pulmonary blood flow. Next, a new mother is concerned because her baby has jaundice. The nurse understands that jaundice is a option A normal condition that appears at 2 to 3 days of life, option B normal condition that appears 8 to 24 hours after birth, option C abnormal condition that appears within the first 24 hours of life, option D abnormal condition that appears at 2 to 3 days of life. Option A is the right answer. Normal condition that appears at 2 to 3 days of life. A true labor contraction will option A bring about progressive cervical dilatation, option B occur immediately after membrane rupture, option C stop when the client is encouraged to walk around, option D be less uncomfortable if client is in slide lying position. The right answer is bring about cervical dilatation. Option A is the right answer. Next one, 7th question. Pregnant ladies should stop smoking because newborn of such mothers are option A premature and have respiratory distress syndrome, small, option B small for gestational age, option C large for gestational age, option D born with congenital anomalies. Option B is the right answer, small for gestational age. Next, during pregnancy, the purplish discoloration of vaginal mucosa is known as option A Haggard's sign, option B Chadwick sign, option C Ladin's sign, option D Goodell's sign. The right answer is Chadwick sign. The nausea and vomiting commonly during the first trimester of pregnancy is due to increase in the level of option A estrogen, option B progesterone, option C luteinizing hormone, option D chorionic gonadotrophic hormone. The right answer is D chorionic gonadotrophic hormone. Next, normal amniotic fluid is option A clear, almost colorless, containing little white specks, option B milky, dark colored, black specks, option C yellow color, blood stained, option D greenish color with thick patches. The right answer is option A clear, almost colorless, containing little white specks. అమ్నియోటిక్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ అనేది క్లియర్గా లిక్విడ్ ఉంటుంది అండ్ కలర్లెస్గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈరోజు మనము గైనకాలజీ అండ్ నర్సింగ్లో మనము ఇవి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూసాం. ప్రీవియస్గా వచ్చిన ఎగ్జామ్స్ పేపర్స్ మొత్తాన్ని మనము కలెక్ట్ చేసి ఈ విధంగా మనకు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. దయచేసి మన ఛానల్ని ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ లైక్ అండ్ షేర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్.